Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an TCL Tab Max, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So this operation is quite easy. All you have to do is to simply enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system and enter the About tablet. Now we have to scroll down to find the status here. And as you can see, after scrolling down just a little bit, you can find a serial number of this device. So basically that's all. This is how to check the serial number in your TCL Tab Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.